Good morning all of you. Today in EVS class I am going to show you how to draw a bird. So please open your EVS copy and first you have to write CW means classwork, then date 13/09/2021. Then chapter number 8 and chapter name is birds. So the question is, draw a bird and point out its following body parts. Means some body parts given here, you have to draw first a bird, picture of a bird, then you have to point out these body parts. Okay, so let's start. See how I am drawing the bird. First you have to go very light. First give light. Light shade. Okay. After completion your drawing, you have to make this deep. According to your book, I am doing it. This portion, breast. Now almost completed. Now